to reset Samsung keyboard settings in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Tap Samsung keyboard settings, and then scroll down Samsung keyboard screen, and then tap reset to default settings. Select reset keyboard settings. Reset keyboard settings. Download language won't be deleted. Tap reset if you sure. Keyboard settings reset. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.